Hey guys, what's good today everyone? My name is Fernol Veradio and welcome to my YouTube channel. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Fernol TV. Click the icon button, comment down below and give me thumbs up for this video. Okay guys, I have box here to open of course. This is from Adidas. So today we're going to open this box. I have a new forum low. There we go. Right. This is the new colorway. Black too. And the colorway is like Wonder White. And I have Suede Wonder Beige, and this is Cloud Black. Same thing as others, as usual, like rubber outsole. Nice one. I like this colorway. It's clean look, you know. Gonna open another one. We have here the Adidas logo, you know, the outsole, and this shoe is no strap. The original has a strap here, so this one is nice, no strap. I think this is the latest colorway for the forum low. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up for this video. So thank you for watching guys, and see you for the next one. Bye bye.